Swapping a SIM card to a new phone is quick and simple. In this guide, you'll learn how to move your SIM card safely. First, place your old phone and new phone on a table. Make sure both devices are within reach. Start by turning off your old phone. This prevents any damage while removing the SIM card. Press and hold the power button. Tap the option to power off the device. Wait until the phone is completely turned off. Next, find the SIM card tray on your old phone. Most phones have a small hole beside the SIM tray. You will need a SIM ejector tool. Insert the tool gently into the small hole. Apply light pressure until the tray pops out. Carefully pull the SIM tray out of the phone. You will see the SIM card placed inside the tray. Gently remove the SIM card from the tray. Hold the SIM card carefully by the edges. Now set the old phone aside. Pick up your new phone. Locate the SIM card tray on the new phone. Find the small eject hole beside the tray. Insert the SIM ejector tool into the hole. Push gently until the tray pops out. Slowly remove the SIM tray from the phone. Check the tray to see the SIM card slot. Place the SIM card into the tray. Make sure the SIM card is aligned correctly. The cut corner should match the tray shape. Once it fits properly, slide the tray back into the phone. Push the tray in gently until it is fully closed. Now turn on your new phone. Wait for the phone to finish starting up. After a moment, the network signal should appear. This means the SIM card is detected. Open the phone settings if you want to confirm. Go to the mobile network section. You should see your carrier name listed there. Now try making a quick test call. Check that the call connects normally. You can also send a text message. Next, turn on mobile data to test internet access. Open a website to confirm the connection works. If everything works, your SIM swap is successful. You can now start using your new phone normally. And that's how to swap a SIM card to a new phone easily.